White grade ball press production line equipment is a complete set of raw material ball production equipment, from the material feeding, destruction, mixing, drying, packaging, palletizing, through the electronic control system active operation, reduce the technical requirements of the operator and the number of workers, effectively reduce the need for manpower in the late production period, reduce production costs, improve the enterprise in the occupation of the market competitiveness. The following to introduce the white grade ball press production line. 4 advantages: a high degree of initiative, reduce the intensity of work, the secondary production capacity is large, can meet the production needs of large mineral powder limited enterprises. 3 white grade ball pressing production line can realize continuous operation, can meet the needs of enterprises uninterrupted operation. 4 white grade ball production line function is reliable, stable, equipment maintenance and maintenance is simple and convenient, so that customers worry, save effort,